Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we will see the network CLI commands so that we can assign a static IP address to our Nagios application server. The commands are basically the network management command line interfaces, NMCLI, or we can use NMTUI command, that is a text based editor or a graphical interface which is text based, used in configuring the network. So in this video we will learn a basic about NMCLI and NMTUI. So first let me go to my Nagios instance, and we are using Centos7 for this Nagios XI. So how will we verify the version of our Linux operating system? It's pretty much simple. We need to do cat etc and do OS release. So we will able to verify the details of our Linux operating system like name, version ID, pretty name, ANSI color, and all other details. And today, let us see what is the IP address assigned to this system. We can do IP and A. It will show our IP address of our Nagios server. Here we can see it is 192.168.0.114 y24, that is the subnet mask, and the broadcast and everything has been mentioned under the interface ENS33. So how will we verify the CLI connection show? It will show the name, UUID, type, and the device. And if I want to view the device properties of ENS33, we need to run the same command and we need to specify the device name or the device. So it will view us all the details of the connection, and the connection.id, connection.unique ID, the stable ID is none, the Ethernet, the interface name, the auto connect is set to yes. These are the properties basically. And if we want to set a static IP, we need to run this command nmcli connection modify the interface name and the property name, that is ipv4.address and the IP address /24. And if we want to set the DNS, we need to run the same thing nmcli connection modify ENS33 IPv4.DNS and the DNS, and the gateway, that is the NMCLI connection modify ENS33 IPv4.gateway 192.168.0.1. It's basically our router gateway so that we can connect to the external world. So how can we check whether we can communicate with the internet? It's just pinging with Google, www.google.com. So the site I am able to ping means the connection is ready. So this is the simple overview that I have given on the network connections. If you want more detailed video on this, please comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Now will we check the NMTUI command, that is the text based editor for setting up the network configuration. Just we need to type NMTUI. It will open our network manager text UI, and we can edit a connection, activate a connection, and set a system host name. For editing a connection, we can just select edit a connection, then select the interface name, and we can select the edit option, and you can select the required configuration and set the address, gateway, DNS servers, everything you want in this editor menu. So this is simple. It's just a text-based UI. It helps us to enter the connections in properly, and it's flexible as well. So the beginners can use this text UI. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.